from a humble beginnings and today an admirable leader in Nu Skin world. Ladies and gentlemen, with great honor, I present to you Circle of Excellence 1, Hendra Ramli.
Wow, thank you, Dennis. Yeah, thank you, Dennis, for your great introduction. Brother and sister from ST, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Wow, it's an honor for me to share in front of everyone, hundreds of people tonight. And so many people coming to this meeting tonight. Wow, give yourself a round of applause. Yeah. Okay, everyone can see my slide, mana? Okay. Yeah, before I start, yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm a bit nervous tonight because this is my first time sharing in sharing my story, discover the best you in so many people like this one. Yeah, normally I share only in front of maybe 20-30 people, mana. But this time, wow, so many people, one. Okay, maybe you can give me some support. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Maybe before I start, I would like to share some old wisdom, okay, the wisdom from which I learned from history one. When I see this one, then well, I quite laugh inside one. But after I laugh, I think again, I think this wisdom also have some point. Okay, like a wise man always said that history will repeat by itself one. Okay, and when I read this, I really connect to me, Lord. Okay, maybe I share this one. It says like this one. Hard times create strong men. Wow, agree or not? Agree or not? Yeah, hard times create strong men, and then a strong man create good times. Wow, yeah, very good one. Strong men create good times. Yeah. And good times create weak men. Wow, because everything very comfortable one. Yeah, very comfortable and sometimes create weak men. And the last one, and weak men create hard times. Okay, it was for joking only. Okay, I believe every one of us are the strong men. Okay, and we are the strong men at least for our own small family. Yes, and I believe when all the strong men gather in this environment, we can create a good times together. Okay, yeah, please give yourself a round of applause. Yay. Okay, yeah, because you are all a strong man at this timing, still want to learn something. Okay, before I start, maybe I will introduce a little bit about myself. Yeah, just now Dennis already mentioned, and Latina and Lukman, thank you. Yeah, I come from Jakarta. Yeah, Jakarta, Indonesia. We are born from a very ordinary family. I think I'm the 4th generation of Chinese family there, and yeah, both my daddy also, although his skin color are dark one, very dark one, like a coffee one, yeah, dark skin, black coffee one, but he's Chinese one. He's Chinese. He speak a lot of Teochew. Okay, Teochew, and my mother is a very fair one. So when we don't have much because my parents both are not highly educated. Yeah, they just become a street seller in the wet market. In one of the corner in the Chinatown in Jakarta one. Yeah, very ordinary. Yeah, we have food on our table. We do not have, but we don't dare to dream more. You know, just pass day by day, week by week. You know, I can see my parents are waking up in the morning to earn a living. Yeah, every morning, I think 4 a.m. in the morning, they left the house already. They wake up and left the house quickly because they have to go to the wet market. And their things done maybe around 12 noon. Then they return home and sleep and get some rest. And yeah, like that. Every day like that one. Saturday, Sunday also like that one. So if they do have extra money, like now, like mooncake festival, this kind of thing, you know, like bacang time, and those traditional Chinese events, then they save more money lah. You know, extra money saved are meant for 2 of us, myself and my brother, for our own education. Yeah, but last time I was asking this question, what actually motivate them working so hard one? Because I can see them Saturday, Sunday also working one. There is no holiday, you know. They never complain about they're getting tired, you know, although their face are very tired one. but they never complain one. And I learned one thing, what really empower them to do their daily things one lah, which is only one word. This one word also empowers me till today one. Yeah. Then I believe this word also empower every one of you. Anybody can get to work very hard one. Yeah. Yeah, it's love. Yeah, love. Yeah. What does it mean by love? Love means love covers everything. Yeah. Even though we work very tired one, you know, we don't see, a lot of time we don't see hope. You know, sometimes if the season, the weather get rain, then not many people come to the wet market, right? But they still have to open the shop, you know. But one thing I learned, that love covers everything. Yeah, it really give power to many of us. Yeah, and I believe love also is the one that motivate you come to this meeting, right? Yes. Yeah. So this is the one. My mother never worried about money. I mean, money that in that sense, although we are living very humbly, yeah, we have love in our family. Yeah, we are still healthy. We still have food to eat. Very simple one, then it's okay one. Yeah, but as long we don't lose hope, yeah, we are not losing anything on. Yeah. So yeah, the formula works. I copy my family formula lah, my father mother formula, which is study hard and work hard. Last time my father always said, don't repeat like me. Yeah, don't do the same mistake like me one. Any of your parents same like my father or not? I tell you one, you better study hard one. Don't repeat the same mistake like what I did one. Oh, okay. Don't repeat one. Okay. Yeah. So he also the same one lah. He said, study hard and work hard, get a good job, and go retire there. You know, the formula works. I study hard and work hard, and proven to advance my life. Yeah, among our cousin, I think we have maybe 20 or 30. I forget. I also cannot remember one. Among our cousin, not many of us got chance to finish our degree. Yeah, with good grades. Just anyhow graduate have a lot, but with good grades, I think not many one. Yeah, but it's that also give me a very rare opportunity lah, you know, because of with a good grade and some of attitude of working very hard one, then give me some opportunities. Some opportunities I can this is my I can go to some of the industry that not many people can enter lah, you know. On the left you can see that is my very humbling house. Yeah, the house is just anyhow built up. You know, sometimes it's not wall, you know, it's really how to plywood. I don't know whether you understand that on a plywood, you know, they stick it together, and some bricks, you know, a very humble one. Yeah, but we want to have a better future. Yeah, I grab every single opportunity that crossed in front of me. In 2007, yeah, I moved to Singapore. Many people I observe, they blame my friend, they blame their family condition. Maybe their parents not educated, they cannot have a good start, you know. But one thing that I saw, what makes me last time a bit advanced, because I don't blame the family condition that didn't give me a good start, but is honor. Yeah, it's an honor for me to take responsibility for the family. Yeah, so big responsibility or big sacrifice is not a problem. Is actually is a blessing. Is my honor. Yeah, and this is yeah, we continue living in Singapore, and life just keep on advancing, and we become settled. We enjoy living in Singapore. We have a nice flat, no debt. Yeah, and high quality neighborhood. You know, and our children get education, Singapore education. I think life was okay one, life one okay one, but job one no. Why? Because the more I work, the higher my position, the higher responsibility that I get. You know, I don't know about you, Anna. Last time, when every time my boss asking me, then have a lunch together, you know, and share about the the company direction, the company future one. A lot of times, when my boss become more intense, I become more nervous. Why? Because they know that they want to trust me with a new project, a bigger one project. You know, talk about dreams. You know, why I become nervous? Because I know the bigger the dream is, the lesser time I have. When I was single, I like to have more challenge. But things start to change the moment I have a baby. Yeah. Anybody experience something like me or not? Anyone same like me one? Yeah. When we were single, married without any kids one, we love challenge. Yeah. Any challenge we have, we take it. Yeah. But the moment the baby born, right, then we know that our happiness is no longer about money. Our happiness is when we can see together, have time together with the one that we love. Yeah. So I still remember, the photo on the left is not me lah, but it's a picture of myself actually. I spent a lot of lonely nights in Bangkok, in Kuala Lumpur, in Mumbai, in Shanghai, in Copenhagen. You know, I spent a lot of lonely nights. And a lot of maybe birthday time of my boy's birthday, even Christmas and New Year, I spent alone. You know, I spent alone, and Then I asked myself, if I continue doing the same thing again for the next 3 to 5 years, yeah, will it get better or not? So then I know this is not the direction that I want. Yeah, and every time my boss asking me again, more intense again, I become more nervous. Even my boss double my salary. I also the one. Last time, when we don't have family yet, we still single. Yeah, when our boss double our money, our salary, right? We were very happy. Yes, and every challenge we are very happy one. But the moment we have family, right? We know our happiness is no longer about money. Yes. Can relate with my story just now. Yeah. Okay. So this is because of then but I don't have any choice. And then a lot of time when we have discussion with my wife, right, it's like no more energy already. Yeah. And when we complain about having not enough time, right, then we always answer, this is our job already. Yeah, this is become our life law. You know, no choice law. Anybody sounds like me or not? Yeah, we have just to continue law. No other choice. What you want to downgrade your life, meh? You know, because we used to say that no choice law. Yeah, we used to say like that one. Yeah, but deep inside, I already pray a little prayer lah, that I want to have change. I want to have change, and God really give me answer. How to say one? Give me answer, but is beyond my expectation lah. You know what is the answer, right? Yeah, God show me one of my church mate, one of my church friend, right? She slimmed down very well. Yeah, a couple slim down very well one. Then I questioned them, how do you slim down one? I also want. I also want. Yeah. Then he said, just diet law. Then I said cannot one, because I also diet one, but still cannot slim. In short one, introduce me with a product Anna. Then he said, okay, let's meet up sometime, appointment one. Then I asked my husband to explain to you one. Then I said, no need to explain one. Whatever you use, I want. Oh, I think I'm very easy closing one, you know, no need to explain one lah. Wait. This one got shake one, got what last time got complex one, duolin, dienolin one. This one how many? Never mind. Just bring the product one. I pay one immediately. Yeah, very easy one, you know. And in short one, I slimmed down very well. And at the time, then they start to ask me to introduce some friends. Then I said, okay, lo. My objective at the time, I just want to slim down and get a better health. Then I want to how to say one, I just want to have return back my capital lah. You know, I want to have return back. As long I get back my $2,000 one, I'm happy already. You know, I'm happy already. So, but I don't know lah. Last time after, there is one time my upline said, Hendra, one more become executive. Then I asked, what is executive? Then she also don't know one because she also knew one. Then never mind lah. Then I don't count anymore. When I become executive, I check my account not much Then I don't see anymore lor. But people that buy from the 6 set before one slim very well. Then they introduce also some friends one. Then I become 10K achiever. Then the money come into my account one. Wow, it's more than my capital one I spent 2,000, then it returned 10K last time was how much? I think 4,000 something, right? It was more than my capital. I said, wow, this one santai also can one Oh, not so serious, not so serious. I don't know how to pronounce one. Serious one. Not so serious one. I think more than the SDB flat rental one Last time that was me one, you know. Okay lah. Then because the money in already, right? Yeah. Then just return the money already one. Then I feel happy already, happy. Then my upline persistently, I think few attempts are asking me to go to Kuala Lumpur, yeah, and go to Kuala Lumpur to attend the convention lah, yeah. Then I refuse. Every time he invited me, I always refuse one. They said, I do not want this business one. You, Hendra, you must go see opportunity. Your opportunity lah, not my opportunity. I'm happy with my job. Enough already, you know. Then, but the way I work one, he know I work very hard one, you know. So in short, I attended lah. I give him some face. I still remember. I attend to the Kuala Lumpur convention. Wow, I'm expecting some business lesson. You know, I'm expecting some product testimonial session. You know, I'm expecting some advanced selling technique session. Wow, anybody same like me or not? Okay, and I'm expecting some motivational session one. Wow, you know what happened? I become good student. You know, I bring my notebook and pen. I'm ready to learn. You know, I sit very in front one. And the moment I enter the place, right, it's very dark and the music like so hot like disco, you know, they say, you know, and people are dancing, clapping, you know. Then go lesson like this, meh? So awkward one, you know. And wow, I think nobody is right bringing a notebook like me one. Never mind lah, just attend already there fly from Singapore to Kuala Lumpur already, you know. Then I still remember I attended to this room, yeah, to this room, and I always sit at the same place. You know, anybody can see where am I or not? Can see or not? Where am I? Cannot see one. I also cannot see myself in this photo one. But I still remember around this position. I was one of them. I was nobody there, and I was an unhappy attendee that time. You know, because speak in Mandarin. I don't know what is Mandarin. You know, I speak English okay one. You know, so this Chinese banana. You know, cannot speak proper Chinese one. Banana one. You know. Yeah. So none of the thing that I expect was there. Yeah. When the MC and the speaker speak in Mandarin, I was like, ayo, I cannot say already lah. You know, but I cannot go home. Why? Because I need my flight still 2 more nights. You know, I need to stay another 2 more nights. Just become a good boy law there. Sit down, you know, and listen to the translator. You know, but it surprised me. You know, why? Because the moment I listen to the record, to the how to say one, the translator one, I listen to some MC sharing, you know, the translator doing really a very hard job, you know. You know what they do? When the moment the speaker release their power one, the translator also release their power. Can you feel or not? And the moment the speaker slow down, yeah, the translator slow down as well, you know. And the best part, you know, if the speaker cry, you guess, wow, I tell you one, this place difficult to see because I attended many of training one, nobody like this one. Yeah, so I mean they use their spirit, their what do you call it? The geese is there, you know, the life and spirit, the soul is there. The soul is there. Is beyond what I expect lah. So I try. Then I give. I close my eyes. I try to listen the translator only lah. You know, because they are very sincere, ma. Yeah. But one thing. I don't remember what they say one. But one thing I can feel it that they are this place very sincere one. So I'm grateful for that. You know, my heart was open since then. You know, my heart was open by the crew. Yeah. I hope you also. I hope you also open yourself tonight. I know that there is some. I think there is another room are translating in Mandarin. Yeah. If I speak too fast, please forgive me. Yeah. After I returned, I only remember this thing. I saw it was a Rain and Angela recognition of COE4 lah. You know, COE4. It was 20 million. Then my calculator brain is working very hard one. Then I count 12 years, 20 million. Then I count on. The more I count, is really blow my mind. Why? Because I was like the picture on the right. I also spent the same 12 years, but why I didn't get the same result like Miss Rain and Angela? You know, if say for example I work hard enough, I believe I'm not that stupid lah. You know, I believe if you ask me to study or working one, I'm not bad one. I'm okay one. I can one. You know, so if I follow Rain and Angela example I cannot be that bad ma. Sure, I will make it somewhere lah. You know, and at the time that was inside me lo, inside my heart one. This place have what I want. Yeah, this place have what I want. So the formula that was inherited by my family that if you want to be successful, study hard, be a good boy, good student, and after graduate with good marks, find a good job. You know, it doesn't give me success. It just give me maybe a dream job, but doesn't give me dream life. What I want is the life, not just a dream job. You know, yeah. So it's a one decision that changed. The one decision at the time that really changed my life forever. Yeah, this was me when I was a diamond photo. I cannot remember because at the time I was not so good looking. You know, every time just now Latina was sharing. I come to Jakarta every weekend. I always fly to Jakarta. I'm very diligent one, and I was very serious because I know my time like a taxi meter. You know, I only have maybe 2 times 24 hours a day. Yeah, for weekend. So every hour my time is very expensive. I need to create result one. So every meeting I have a lot of expectation. You know, and that's why my face was not happy one. And at the time I become diamond, just a very short months, I think maybe 6 or 8 months, right? Just from one product only. Yeah, just from one product only, which is TR90. Yeah, I come to Nu Skin Jakarta, and I saw a Nu Skin leader there at the time. Nobody do TR90. Have lah, but so little. Yeah, most of the leader there are doing galvanic spa. You know, so. And then I come to the counter, you know, the counter, Nu Skin counter. I said to the counter, hello, sir. Yes. Can I check with you something? Yes. Is there anybody sell TR90 here? Got. Sell or not? I mean, the sales good or not? Then they said, no lah. Where got good sales? Why? Why no good? The sales no good? Because the leader themselves fat one. How can sell? And then some more, it was very expensive, you know. Maybe you Singapore one, maybe 2 weeks working can pay already. Indonesia one, few months salary also cannot pay one. I think maybe 2 or 3 months salary lah. You know, 2 or 3 months salary then can just buy one TR90. This is why the reason in our education in NDO mention never talk to sideline. Have you ever mentioned? Have you ever hear this wisdom or not? Never talk to sideline. You know, lucky one. I thought if your downline attack, I mean, come like me one. Sure die one. I tell you one. Yeah. Then I said, wow, but at the time I was quite fortunate because my upline is not ordinary they do. Last time so because my upline already give me vaccine this vaccine can switch every problem become opportunity. So when I went to Nu Skin Jakarta and the warehouse guy said not selling. Why? Because expensive lah, people here like to eat lah, and the leader also fat one and a lot of use the product rebound again a lot of poison I tell you. Then inside my heart the vaccine works the antibody really works, and what happened deep inside my heart, I said thanks God. I quickly back to Singapore. Returned back to Singapore, and I was very excited. I said, this is my opportunity. Anybody like me or not? I tell you it's a very huge market. This is my opportunity. Nobody do TR90. I was very, very excited. Then I told to my upline like that one. Then I spoke to my wife. My name Malina. Malina. I was very excited. This one, because my wife is not so adventurous like me he is a very ordinary housewife. I mean, very ordinary one So think very normal like employee Play safe, try to find safe one. Then he listen not selling one nobody use one expensive one People in Indonesia like to eat one Ayo, like that, too risky lah. Okay, so both have some point. Which one you choose? Yeah, you think positive is correct. You think negative, both correct. Yeah, both correct. Yeah, but this is me last time. And fortunately I'm in the right environment Maybe tonight I will share a little bit. Yeah, there are many ways to earn a living. Yeah, not only Nu Skin can earn a living. Yeah, but the question is, why is it network marketing? Yeah, why is it Nu Skin? And if it's network marketing, why Nu Skin? If it's Nu Skin, and why you have to join ST? If you just join Nu Skin like an ordinary distributor out there, not joining Success Together, different outcome. Yeah, because the number collection of vaccine that they have are different one, I tell you. Just joking I hope you can connect one. Now let me share some points. Okay, why network marketing? Yeah, I used to see these pictures. Maybe some of you ever see these pictures before. Yeah, but allow me to explain to you from my angle, my perspective. Okay, the horizontal line is the time, the vertical line is income. Yeah, there are many ways to earn a living, not only in Nu Skin. Is that correct? Correct. The first one is the same like what I have, employee Okay, at the end is going to be 0. The second one, because I have some skills, I can offer my free consultation. I become a consultant. Then I offer my service. If I do, got money. No do, then nothing it's a self-employed. Okay, I did this before, and it's very, very tiring because it's more demanding. The customer very demanding because my price is not cheap. And the next one is traditional business. This one I also see and now even I believe you can all see, because of this pandemic, people are very struggling. A lot of businessmen are very, very struggling. I don't need to explain about this. You can see. I don't know how strong is your heart, pumping. I don't know maybe if you are still young, you can tahan this pandemic. Maybe you still can endure the next recession, But I don't know, maybe 10 or 20 years from now, maybe your descendant or your successor have a strong heart or strong passion like you do or not, Yeah. So I don't need to explain about traditional business one. And the next one is network marketing. Many people, when I talk to my peers, all the IT people, they have some ego. Why? Because they have pride. They want to have their own business. Like if they put their name in the like Hendra Ramli Sendirian Berhad, Hendra Ramli Private Limited. Sounds very handsome. Yeah, sounds very handsome one. Why? Because got their names there. Yeah, they have pride that this is my own self-made millionaire. This kind of thing. But actually, you think about it, it's very risky. Yeah, the point that we want is we want to go to point B. is not about whether we go to point B with ego or not. The point is we want to go to point B. It's not about what name, yeah, how we can achieve that. We want to go to point B, ma. What is point B? We want to have more time with money as well. Yeah. So this is the one that we want, right? So tell to yourself, yeah, which one is more important, your ego or you go to point B? You want to have money and time, right? This is what I want. Yeah, we want to have free life. Yeah, we want to have a free life. We don't have to be worried. Yeah, like for example, if you are stopping from your job now in Singapore, how many months your savings can really afford our living without losing our lifestyle? Yeah. So doing Nu Skin is not about skincare or MLM or weight management. We want to have a free life. Yeah, worry from financial. Free worry from financial, free worry from health. Yeah, and we don't have to worry about asking permission for attending our children performance, for example. Yeah, or maybe our children birthday, for example. Yeah, this is what we want. Yeah, that is why network marketing give more or better options. And if we do network marketing, why is it have to be Nu Skin? Yeah, this I quote some example in Singapore as well. There are many high-tech giants. It's like a class of titans in Singapore itself. Yeah, you name it, all the big brands was there. Yeah, is there, not was there, is there. Yeah, there is Apple, Facebook Asia Pacific in Singapore. Yeah, Apple Asia Pacific in Singapore as well. Yeah, Google Asia Pacific also in Singapore. Yeah, Microsoft was, yeah, is very big there. Yeah, but the question is, yeah, why they don't cross talent? Yeah, is it because they cannot afford the talent to, higher pay or benefits? I believe the talent stay there is not because of better benefit or better pay. Yeah, because the company connect with the talent with the core value and cultures. Yeah, every company like Microsoft is very enterprising. Yeah, they have a core value and they have a culture, and they connect the talents there with the core value and culture. I don't know how many of you can connect with me just now. Yeah, when the company talk, when the management of the company talk, they share some vision where the company is heading, and the talent can connect with the company vision. It's not about whose company give a better pay or better benefits, you know. So that's why the same question I ask myself, why Nu Skin? Why Nu Skin? There are many network companies out there, not only Nu Skin. Is it just because Nu Skin are easy, or maybe Nu Skin commission is higher, or the product is easy to sell? You think about it. Why Nu Skin? Is it because of Nu Skin is easier, meh? Nu Skin more popular, US brand like that, meh? No, I believe not. Yeah, you look into this first. It has a real demand. Yeah, there is a real demand. It's evergreen. Every day we need it. The product. Yeah, who are aging among us? Maybe the question I change. Who are not aging? Everyone are aging. Even now, the more we get into Zoom, the more we age. Do you feel that? Yeah, I like to tease my children, right? The more Zoom you have, the fatter you go. You know why? You sit down there. You sit down every day, spend 8 hours minimum in front of Zoom. Yeah, that was me lah. So the idea of having active lifestyle, work from home is like, at the end I still don't move. I just sit down in front of the Zoom as well. You know, so everyone, the more and more people need Nu Skin product. They need our solution. Yeah, the market is clear, and it has the product, and this is the best thing, technology. This is why you have to join Nu Skin. Yeah, they also give you not only ordinary product, but the product with technology, and it's patented. So not many people not easy for our competition can capture this. Like now, for example, our TR90 is #1 selling product for slimming, for weight management in Malaysia and Singapore. Yeah, I think this is very advantage of Nu Skin, right? Yeah, and let me ask you, in the next 50 or 100 years from now, yeah, more people get fat or more people get slim? You think again. Yeah, 50 or 100 years from now, more people more diabetic, more people eat sugar, more people got cholesterol, triglycerides, yeah, high blood pressure. I think you can, you know the answer already. Yeah, more and more, the more the time goes by, right? More people need our products. Yeah, and not only that, next year, wow, this is really excite me more. Yeah, wow, the new product will come. Yeah, if you want to know about this, please ask the person who bring you here. Yeah, they can explain to you more. Or tomorrow you can attend the training as well. Yeah, the new product, they are not stop innovating. You know, if you ask again, New Skin product is never a copy paste product. You know, it's not never a copycat product one. It's really genuine. There is no market before, and we are the market leader. We own the market. If you know that we own the market, there is no competition, right? How can you not be successful? Yeah. Then I told to myself, with this kind of product, if I'm not successful, something wrong with who? Dear friends, I don't know about you, Anna. Last time when I was working in the IT company, I know my product from my company was not number one. Yeah, some of German company, very big IT giant from German and US are bigger than Microsoft. Yeah, are bigger in enterprising lah, and they have a better product. But at the time I was telling myself, even not number one, I still can sell. Then I said to myself, this New Skin number one already. If I really cannot sell, if I really cannot make it, the problem is no longer with the product or with New Skin. The problem is with me. Is with me. The product very good already. The platform very good. There is no way I cannot be not successful one. You know. So this is what New Skin is offering. Everything on gray done by New Skin. What we have to do is only do the things which is profit center. I don't know how about you, how many can connect with me one. Profit center means activity that we do generating profit. What are they? Share product to customer and build our team. Yeah, build our team. This is the two activities this is the only two activities that really are profit activities. The rest is already absorbed by New Skin. This is the cost center New Skin one. You know, the pay commission promptly, supply chain, hire support staff management, IT, tax, you know, everything is a cost center. So when I'm partnering with this very awesome partner, which the things that I do is only profit center, how can I not be successful? Definitely can one. So, and the track record also give me some confidence. Why? When my time at the time, yeah, the number I think is only close to 1,000. Now it's 1,600 already. Yeah, and at the time it's already 20 over years New Skin was. Yeah, New Skin was already 20 over years already. And the past 10 years is already grow almost double. Imagine. Then I was telling to myself, I'm one of them already. If I do New Skin, I definitely become a COE. Yeah. Why? I'm very driven person. I'm willing to work hard. I'm willing to commit. I tell to myself, I will become New Skin COE. Yeah. I don't know about you lah. Yeah. But if you want to choose an opportunity, you cannot use your emotion. You need to really understand. And once you do understand, commit. Do not look left and right and trying to compare which grass are greener. Maybe that company are better, you know, stop doing that. Yeah, just do commit all the way out. You don't have to question whether the product is working or not. You have to question yourself whether you are working or not. Yeah. So this I hope this thing help you. Okay. Yeah. So the last one, why success together? I saw a group of leader. This is maybe a different perspective compared to other leaders sharing. Yeah. When I look into this, when I come a few years ago, it was just the first two line until the 5 MDC only. Yeah, the first the little one COE was not born yet. Yeah, many of them were not born yet. But look, this person, and they're still working together with us. Yeah, even our company said that ST is the biggest now, the biggest group that all the COE still working together. Why? Yeah. So why is so special? Because when all the leader join together, we can do big wonders together. Yeah. The bigger the wonder is. Yeah. Instead of we one man show do everything, you cannot be so much. You cannot do so big one. Yeah. So I'm grateful I'm grateful. We are great because we have a great system. Maybe if you don't understand, you just join and attend first, then you'll know. You know what do I mean, one. It takes some time for me to understand about ST, but every time I'm talking about this, I always be very passionate one. You know. Next one. Everything was very good. The last question is, can I be successful or not? Yeah, this is the last question. Can I be successful or not? Dear brother and sister, yeah, how many of you really want to be successful? Yeah, how many of you are really willing to pay the price of working hard? Yeah, how many of you really want to pay the price of really study hard? Yeah, I think a lot of you are willing to work hard. Yeah, nobody of you are, I believe nobody of you, every one of us are willing to pay the price to be successful. But the question is, not many of us willing to change. This is what really maybe I share a little bit story one. When I first time joined Nu Skin, I bring my experience in the IT industry into Nu Skin. Yeah, and I thought I was good already, and this is not helping me. Yeah, I'm become just now Latina sharing, right? I was like very fierce, my face like nobody want to talk with me one. Why? Because I'm very serious. Why? Because I know I only have 2 times 24 hours. Every hour my time are very expensive. I need to create result one, you know. And when I do, but you know, right? Every time we do Nu Skin, not every day are a good day. Not every prospect we do close one, you know, not every time. So it's really dependent one. If I close, I'm happy. If I don't close, I'm angry. And this roller coaster of emotions, right, is really messing me up. You know, messing me up. Why? Because I do not want to change. I thought I know. Then, you know, this is the things that really helping me, right, is when I learn from ST about unconditional gratitude. Then my upline said, let go whatever you think is correct in the past. Yeah, back to zero again. Listen to recording. Yeah, then I learned about unconditional gratitude there. Then it really changed me, you know. I thought I know about unconditional gratitude. I hear this word every week for many years already. Then I thought I know already, you know, even gratitude I thought I know, but in actual fact not much money. But I let go the pride. If I do not want to be helped, right? I think many people also cannot help us. Yes, yeah. I still remember that time. My group chat with my upline was very quiet. Why? Because it's not common for employee like me tell something that I don't know to my boss. Yeah, it's like showing to my boss that I'm not good. You know. So that's why my group chat was very quiet. Anybody can connect with me or not? Huh? so and then my upline, how to help me? You know, how to help me? They also don't know how to help me. Why? Because I never talk in my group chat. Why? Because I have that mindset in my mind. If I tell them that I'm not good, means what? It's like telling my boss that I'm not good, right? So yeah, then I don't miss the next thing. I stop listening to other people's opinion. In the beginning, my mother was the one. Why? Because my mother was not educated, not highly educated. I mean, so doing when she do she sell in the wet market, she do also MLM, many brands. So he goes from one door to another door and offering MLM products, you know. And when I was little, he brought me along, go door by door, you know, door by door knocking and offering MLM product. And then I was telling myself inside one, I will never repeat your path, you know. But now her son is one of the MLM leader. You know, it's like a karma one, you know, kind of karma, you know about karma. I told to myself inside one, I will never do sales like mama one. You know, it's very embarrassing. You know, like have you ever see a mother bargain one until you feel very shy one? You know, when the seller quote a price, then our mother bargain one, wow, so bad one. The bargain is more than half one. Then we feel very bad one, you know. Yeah, this is what my mother want. Why? Because the money that she earned is a hard-earned money. And when I went to Singapore to do IT, she was very proud. Yeah, and when I come to Jakarta, she make noise. What are you doing? Yeah, you are not a salesperson. Hendra, Mama is a sales woman at the time, and I'm not successful in MLM. I did many MLMs, and I still not successful. You better learn from this old lady. Yeah, listen to my law. Okay, so you better go back to Singapore. Yeah, and work nice there. Yeah, I hope you can understand my broken English. Oh, work nice there. Be a good boy. Enjoy your life. Do not return to Jakarta, Indonesia. You have a good life there. You know, if at the time I was listening to her, I might not be here. Yeah, because I know my mother never see what I see in Success Together, and this family really give me hope. Yeah, I stopped comparing about other people, what other people are doing. I stopped comparing what other upline are doing. Yeah, I just focus, commit. Yeah, I just focus, commit for my success. Yeah, how to do? I also don't know. I don't have any sales background. Yeah, I don't have any network in Singapore in particular. No, all my friends are Indonesia, and I don't know how to share to them. I just share excitedly with them how the products really helped me and changed my life. Yeah, and I brought them into this environment. I brought them into this family. Then they observe this family and they love this family. You know, so how I do? Yeah, this photo are very cute. I like it. Yeah, I really take out the brain out. Yeah, forget about your past. You don't think you're so smart, then trying to outsmart your upline one. You know, by trying to creatively, just follow the system. Yeah, just follow the system. We'll do already. Yeah. Last time I was thinking, ayo, I think I'm better one. Like, no, the more we do like this one, because you trust me, I did already. Yeah, the longer we delay our success. Yeah, I attend all the meeting just now. I attend all the meeting, and there is no ST meeting I miss one. And all the recording I listen more than 50 times. My upline asked me to listen 20 times. I will listen for 50 times. Why? Because Jakarta jam a lot. So every time jam, I listen until initially jam I was quarrel one. Ayo, why jam complaining like this one? So long one, not effective lah, efficiency burner lah, you know. Then after a while, I listen recording. I'm grateful. So I even jam, I enjoy also. You know, jam also enjoy. Maybe you can try in Kuala Lumpur. Yeah. So what do I see here? If you want to be successful, always come back to this family. This is very important. Maybe not many of you understand this, yeah, but you trust me first. If you feel not good, if you feel your business in Nu Skin not good, is very normal because this is new to us. We are unexperienced. But one thing for sure, come back home. Treat this ST, Success Together, as your family. Get to know your upline more. Win your friendship with your upline. And you can feel there will be one working upline really concerned about your success. You know, you ask again this question, yeah? Who is the one who believes that you can be successful? You ask this question, yeah? Who is the person who first believed that you can be successful? Is it your parents, your mama, your mother, or your spouse? Even you yourself never believe that you can be successful. Who is the person who believes that you can be successful? Yeah, they are not perfect. They might not be perfect. They are might not. Maybe we are working harder than them. Maybe we are smarter than them. Probably, yeah. But I don't see that. I don't see that. What I see is because they believe in me first. That's good enough already. Yeah, even though nobody else believes, I really treasure what they do to me. Yeah. So if we are alone, then we think we are good enough. I think you will never make it in life. Anything lah, not only Nu Skin. Like for example, I have a passion in, I have passion in cooking, for example. If I want to become a good chef, I need to join a chef community. Yeah, if I think that I'm alone, very good already, right? Not long one lah, maybe 3 months or 6 months lah, very good already. Yeah, then my limit lah, only like that only one. If I want to grow and keep on growing, I need to join chef community. Be it chef community in anything, on church community or cars. Maybe you love what? Maybe sneakers or whatever, or gyms, for example. You need to join the community there. If you want to be successful in Nu Skin, you need to join Success Together. Get along with your upline and make friends with them. Win their friendship. Okay? Yeah. Discover when I do this, everything. The more I do, and I come again. Me and my wife become a better of ourselves. And it's not because of who we are. It's not because of how smart we are, how hard we work, right? It's because we ourselves become a better person. We have to become a better spouse first. You don't dream that you can become a better leader if you do not become a better spouse in your house. Yeah, not become a better father for your children. Yeah, why our people must follow us? Yeah, this is a picture of myself when I was, I think, I forget. You see the picture on the left. If you're being recruited by the picture on the left, you want or not? Do you have confidence? Huh? If you're being recruited by the person on the left, then there's this person on the left. Tell you, Anna, you have to trust me. I will help you to be successful. You see his face, full lot of pimples, scars there. You know, even the hair also very messy one. I tell you, very cialak one. You know, if the person on the left still can make it become COE, I tell you, all of you guys here have more hope. Yeah, have more hope. Have more hope. Yeah. This is the last one. And in the past, I read this international magazine. Yeah, I used to read this international magazine every month. I never miss to get inspired by this magazine. Forbes, Economics, you know, and Fortune 500. I read this kind of thing. But in Nu Skin brought me into someone, and I was being featured not only once but twice in the magazine. And people read my story. Right, it's never come into my mind before that I will be. It's not because I set goal like this one. No. It's just because we just focus to improve ourselves. And when I join Success Together, this is the place that really can help me to grow on. Yeah. So forget about the past. There is a choice. Don't say that no choice, lo. This is our job already. This is our school. I don't know how to do, lo. There is no choice. There is a choice. Don't say like that one. There is a choice that you can be different. Yeah. Lastly, in this life, I would like to close my sharing tonight. Yeah, with this story. This is a photo of my mom. My father passed away. I think not long after I joined Nu Skin because of heart attack. Yeah. So when I saw my mother alone, yeah, it's really wake up call for me, lah. You know. Because in this life, the person that I love is my mom. Yeah, my mom. And I saw when I was young, my dad business, it didn't do well. He did some trading and get cheated, you know, and he lose confidence. He lose his confidence. And my mom have to become the breadwinner for the family. Yeah, my mom have to work very hard to support the family. Yeah, so I personally witnessed that process. You know, I personally witnessed that process. How hard there are a lot of nights where she quarrel of life that she want to leave the family already because it's just too hard for her. But every time she see me, she persists to continue. So when I was little, I don't understand why she did that. Yeah, she was very young, she's smart, she's pretty, and I believe that she can choose a better life. But when he see me sleeping, quarreling with my father, she choose to persist. It's not because he choose to persist because he loves to persist. It's not because she loves to persist. It's because she believes in the unseen potential of her son. I believe this is also the one that empowers every one of us. Yeah. Why we as a parents work very hard? Because we believe in the unseen potential of our children. And we dare to make changes. It's not because we have experience in Nu Skin. No, it's a gray area. Sometimes when you think about it, a bit scary lah. But when we are together in success together, we know we are not alone. Yeah. Now I'm sharing from Jakarta. I believe in the future, I will listen to your sharing. You will share in DBY, and Hendra Ramli will listen to your sharing. Yeah. We work very hard. We can be successful together. Thank you very much. I return back to Dennis. Dennis, over to you.
Thank you, Circle of Excellence 1, Hendra, for your heartfelt sharing. Your story truly inspired me a lot. Yeah, focus to improve ourselves, and there is a choice. Believe in the unseen potential in yourself. Everyone needs Nu Skin products. Everyone needs Nu Skin opportunity, and everyone can succeed in Nu Skin. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure after this session today, you have a little